Hey everybody, it's Linda. I am here because I don't know if all of you know this, but I cook for normally when I'm not sick, I cook for a free breakfast program in New Bedford. And what I do is the eggs. And I make a lot of eggs. And a lot of people have a little bit of a hard time making omelets. And, you know, I find when I go out to a restaurant, they're very expensive, and literally omelets are so cheap to make because at home, because they're literally, I just put in whatever I have left over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on fast so you can see me make the omelet. But first off, what you need is a really good pan. Here you go, there's my pan. This is one of our non-stick. This is a 10-inch, and I'm making just an omelet for my husband and I. Here's what I love about this pan. Number one, it's non-stick. I can put it in the dishwasher. I can use metal with it. It doesn't matter. But also, it has this the handles, which I'm not going to do it right now. These come off, so you can put it in the oven and do frittatas and things like that with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on speed, and you're going to see me kind of assemble this omelet really quick, really easy. So not the most perfect omelet, but pretty darn good. And this is a 3-egg omelet. I just, you know, did it in mixed up my eggs in the batter bowl. I mean, not the batter bowl, the prep bowls, 3-cup prep bowls. Really, really easy. And if you notice, that was linguica, onions, and spinach that I put in there because that's what I had in my refrigerator. You can also put anything, if you have leftover luncheon meat or anything like that, you can put in it. So I might just eat it just like this, or I might do some toast. I think my husband has some scones, so he might do scones with it. And it's the perfect breakfast either for a weekday, because it's really quick, or for the weekend. So I hope you enjoyed that. Really quick, really easy omelet. Just get yourself a really good pan like our pan, and you'll be able to do it really easy. Thanks. Bye for now.